The Pi News attended the AIEC conference this year, an event co-hosted by student placement organisation IDP. Amy Baker spoke to IDP CEO Andrew Barkla.
Andrew, nice to see you again.
Great to see you, Amy.
It's been 3 years since we last met, and when we did, you outlined your vision for IDP and how it would grow and expand. How are you feeling about what you've achieved since then?
I think feeling very proud with what we've achieved in the last 3 years since we last spoke. We set out to create the world's largest platform to assist students connect with their study dreams and equally connect with the clients and the ecosystem that supports them. Yes, we've come a long way in that regard. We've completed a very major project of work, and of course the results, I think, of the organisation in terms of the financial metrics and the number of students that we've helped really give us a good indicator that the direction we took 3 years ago is paying off.
I wanted to ask about the big news in the UK, post-study work rights. Have you seen any impact already in terms of students indicating where they might like to study? I'm sure you're happy you're sort of well hedged globally, but what sort of impact do you think that might have on the business?
The UK has always been highly regarded as a destination with great universities and colleges. And in that context, over the last number of years, we've seen very strong growth from our markets to the UK. I mean, it's very strong double-digit growth. I think with the announcement of post-study work rights, on a global level, it raises the UK's attractiveness to a number of those markets.
And I know you've opened, 13 new offices in the last 12 months. Which markets do you see as being of most growth potential?
In 2017 financial year, we grew our student placement numbers globally by about 10%. The following year, it was 15%. Last year, we grew at 25%. We placed 50,000 students in our 50th year, which was a great accomplishment. We've just put 3 new offices in Pakistan. We believe that will be a great market for decades, in particular for the UK. It's been a great market for the UK for some years, but more broadly now. We expanded further with another 4 offices in India. We have more to do. And we've now got a micro office strategy that we'll be rolling out in the years ahead for India. And then, of course, in the previous year, we opened up in Nepal, and we're now expanding our capability from Nepal, not just for markets like Australia, but into the UK and Canada as well. And we're turning our eye at the moment to Africa. So nothing specifically to speak to at the moment, but certainly it's a market that is of great interest to us.
You've also acquired Hotcourses in the last 18 months, 2 years ago. How has that integration played out?
Yeah, I think Hotcourses was a very strategic acquisition for IDP. It's been much more successful than I ever expected. So in setting out a vision to build the world's leading platform and connected community, we needed to become a customer-centric, technology-enabled company. IDP was a fantastic analog organisation with great counsellors in 30 plus countries around the world, but with very little digital expertise or technology expertise. Hotcourses brought together the ability to engage people much more broadly across digital platforms, but more importantly, it brought a digital culture and a technology capability that IDP did not have.
Final question. Reading your financial year reports, it was quite obvious how important IELTS is as well. Are you sort of planning innovation around IELTS delivery?
Yeah, that's a great question. And again, I think as an organisation like IDP takes steps towards transforming the future, we need to make sure that we do it in a way that we deliver, and we deliver it step by step. So yes, in the year ahead, now we will turn a lot of the digital capability that we brought into the business, and we've just gone through setting up a program of work to now focus that on the IELTS customer experience. So with the digital capabilities and the marketing competencies and the content capabilities we brought in, we'll now be leveraging the digital campus and those capabilities to rebuild and re-architect the test taker or customer experience and be able to understand different test takers' needs, deliver content on time, help them prepare, provide coaching and feedback, and a great booking experience. And yeah, we should start to see the benefits of that in probably 12 months' time.
Great. Thank you very much, Andrew, and good luck
Thanks.
for the next 12 months.
Thanks, Amy.